A big news. Coming in shortly after the French blog iGeneration reported that Apple would be forced to remove certain iPhone models from the European market. Apple has recently made a surprising move by discontinuing the iPhone SE3, iPhone 14, and iPhone 14 Plus in Europe. According to McRumors, the shift is tied to a European Union regulation requiring all smartphones sold after December 28th to feature a USB Type-C connector instead of Apple's Lightning port. While Apple could have modified these models to include USB-C as it did with the AirPod Max, the company has chosen not to pursue this option, which might be due to the higher cost involved in the part replacement. Instead, it has begun withdrawing these Lightning-compatible iPhones from selected stores in Europe. However, this move aligns with Apple's usual strategy, as the affected models were already nearing the end of their life cycle. For instance, the iPhone 14 series was expected to be phased out next September with the launch of the iPhone 17 lineup. Similarly, the iPhone SE3 was set to be replaced early next year by the highly anticipated iPhone SE4. For European customers, this transition should be seamless. The upcoming iPhone SE4, rumored to feature a design inspired by the iPhone 14, will include a single rear camera, an A18 chip, Apple Intelligence, and Apple's advanced 5G modem. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 lineup, expected to debut in the second half of 2025, could introduce an all-new iPhone 17 Air, which is rumored as the thinnest iPhone ever, blending premium design with mid-tier hardware. However, the iPhone 17 Air is speculated to launch at a price similar to, or possibly even higher than, the iPhone 17 Pro next year. These changes won't immediately impact customers outside of Europe, as Apple will continue to sell the discontinued models in other markets until new devices are released throughout the year. Apple has yet to comment on this development, but updates may follow once the company addresses the situation. What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks and early tech updates. The link is available in the description. Additionally, the iPhone SE4 might get a new name. According to a recent leak, Apple plans to include the SE4 in the iPhone 16 lineup and might call it the iPhone 16e. For more details on this exciting development, check out our dedicated video linked in the I section and the description below. Furthermore, Samsung is set to challenge Apple Vision Pro with its Project Moohan. You ask, what is Project Moohan? So it's an innovative XR headset developed in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. Powered by Google's Android XR platform, this device is expected to include cutting-edge displays, pass-through functionality, and versatile multimodal inputs. Users can enjoy seamless access to Google Maps, YouTube, and AI-powered assistance from Gemini, making it a game-changer in immersive technology. What do you guys think about these latest developments? Which charging type iPhone do you use? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for early tech with fun updates. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.